Hello. I'm going to demonstrate my real-time rendering fifth assignment. My topic is perspective shadow mapping. So if you see my code, the main C++, so I have related to that shadow map and the OMI shadow map for the OMI direction. So shall we start? Alright, here you can see in my ambience, in my demo, there is one skybox. There is a skybox, and there are different objects like the texture of a cone, and two rotating UFO, and one nanosuit, and also here there is a helicopter on the ground, helicopter on the sky. See, everything is with a shadow. See, these two round circles, they are the shadows of the UFOs, and we can also see the shadow of this floating flight, and also the helicopter, right? And also the cone. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, in the folder, I also applied this flashlight. If you look further, I also applied mid mapping. So with the help of the perspective shadow mapping, it makes all of the objects looks more realistic, and it makes the three-dimensional position looks more intuitive to make a person to understand the location of the object in the 3D. Yeah. So that's everything of my demonstration. Okay, so thanks so much for watching my presentation. Wish you have a good day. Thank you.